Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today's video is a morning cleaning routine. I know that we don't all have the energy or the motivation to do a whole house deep clean all the time. So this is things that I do in the morning just to get my house looking a little bit more put together so I can have a relaxing rest of the day, because I just can't relax until certain chores are done. So I'm just going to jump straight into it by sorting out the kitchen first. I always have to sort out the washing up because there's always washing up to be done, so I'm going to crack on with that and then clean the sink and just get the kitchen ready for the day. So once I've washed everything up, I'm going to go straight back in and dry it up and get it put away, just so it's not sitting there for too long, because I always feel like it just makes everything look very cluttered and unfinished. So I'm just going to put that all away so I can then crack on with cleaning the sink, wiping down the sides and just getting everything nice and fresh. I really can't relax during the day if I've got a messy kitchen, so the kitchen is always number one on my to-do list. So the sink actually isn't looking too bad today, so I'm going to go over it with the Flash all-purpose spray just to make sure it's nice and disinfected and clean, and then I'm going to go back in with the white vinegar spray and a dry microfiber cloth just to buff it all up, because you know how much I love a nice shiny sink.
One of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I wanna spend with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself.
So once the kitchen's all done, I head through to the living room, sorting out all of Cinnabon's toys and treats just to clear the floor so I can go in and give it a good hoover, because as you can see, there's literally hay everywhere. I've also got to constantly move these presents out the way because he eats them every day. So I'm forever moving them out the way, but I'm just going to pop them back now and hope that he doesn't go for them. I'm then going to sort out all of the cushions and blankets and just get the room feeling more cozy so I can then go in and hoover it and dust it and just get it ready for the day.
And I never wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I wanna spend with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriends, girlfriends. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no.
It's an early December morning. No one but we.
So since getting Cinnabon, he has taken over this corner, as you can see, with his playpen. And since having him, I actually haven't dusted the radiator cover, not even once. So it's been over a week now, I think, and it is desperately in need of it. So I'm going to go in and finally get that all dusted and cleaned off, because it's beginning to look a little bit worse for wear, and I just want my pretty corner back. So once I've done that, I am going to head upstairs, because I haven't even made the bed this morning. It's one of those mornings where I just jumped up and made a cup of tea and started downstairs straight away. So I'm going to go back into the bedroom, making the bed and just making it nice and ready for this evening. And I'm also going to be going into the laundry room and putting all of the washing away that I put in there the night before.
But I ain't complaining. It's a wonderful present. A gift that comes in the shape of a heart. And I'm falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and round. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you. And if I were to make a wish upon a star, would it be too much to ask? A place forever in your arms.
If you'd like to follow me on more of a daily basis and see what I'm up to when I'm not here on YouTube, then do go ahead and follow me over on Instagram. I'll have my link down in the description below, but I post on there every single day, and you will get lots of sneak peek behind the scenes of these videos, but also my home decor as well, because Instagram is the place that I post it as soon as I get it. So if you do want to be one of the first people to see any of my home decor or video behind the scenes, then don't forget to follow me over there. I will have the link down in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. I'm now just going to go around and make the house super cozy and smelling fresh with my Airwick mulled wine scent. I absolutely love this fragrance, so I'm just going to spritz it throughout my entire house because it is so beautiful. But I'll see you guys back here in the next one.
Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me for I pass out. I'm too